In this video, you'll learn how to add tax settings in Shopify in just a few minutes so you can charge the correct taxes on every order and stay compliant with the law. First, sign in to your Shopify admin at shopify.com. Once you're in, click on Settings in the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Then select Taxes and Duties from the menu to manage tax configurations. Next, choose the regions where you sell. Shopify will show a list of countries and states based on your store's setup. Click on each region to configure the specific tax rules and rates for your business. Now, enter your tax registration details. For most regions, Shopify will ask for your tax ID, VAT number, or sales tax permit. This ensures your store charges the correct taxes for buyers in each location. After that, configure tax overrides if needed. Some products, like clothing or food, might have special tax rules. Click Tax Overrides and add custom rates for specific products or collections to stay fully compliant. Once everything is set, save your changes. Shopify will automatically calculate and apply taxes during checkout for every order based on the buyer's location and the rules you've configured for your store. And that's it. Your Shopify tax settings are now in place and your store is fully compliant and ready to sell.